Good day everyone. Today is May 14th and for our daily devotion, our topic is entitled Love from the Bottom of God's Heart. Our verse for today is 1 John 4:17. Dear friend, let us love one another, for love comes from God. Everyone who has been born of God knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. In Tagalog, ang minamahal, mga minamahal, mag-ibigan tayo sapagkat mula sa Diyos ang pag-ibig. Ang bawat umiibig ay anak ng Diyos at kumikilala sa Diyos. Ang hindi umiibig ay hindi kumikilala sa Diyos, sapagkat ang Diyos ay pag-ibig. Therefore, God is love, and without God, there is no love. So love exists because of Him. So those who does not love doesn't know God and doesn't believe in Him. That if a person loves one another, it means that he believes that God is love and God created love. For our teaching, true love never ends. True love will never end. If you truly love someone, if you really love things, your love for it will never change or will never disappear. Although there's time that can feel that you love them less than you usually do. Love is a main indicator of being saved. Once we start loving someone else, other people, means that we are on the process of being saved, because we knows that God is love, and the love that we give is from Him. God's very being is love. So God's live, and God is really love. He itself is the love. Therefore, by loving one another means you believe that God is love, and the love that we give to others is because of Him. For our application, commit to love of God. Must commit on God's love, radical love, agape. It is the highest form of love that only God can have. However, if we reach on a certain being Christ-like, we could give that radical love. Consider love as an opportunity. We must consider that loving one another is an opportunity to spreading what God is. God is love, therefore we are spreading it as we consider doing or loving anyone else. Cultivate love that is founded in God. Let's cultivate love that planted on our God, that planted on us also. Let's cultivate it to grow nicely and according to its practice.